Hi, my name is Brenna Cothran, and I'm an exhibitions registrar here at the Whitney Museum of American Art. My job isn't scary, but it is mysterious to some. As registrar, my role is to bring all of the artwork from wherever it is in the world safely to the museum and see it go onto the wall according to the best standards and best practices set by the museum industry. I was the registrar for this particular exhibition, Sixties Surreal, along with one of my coworkers. And we certainly had our jobs cut out for us. There's about 140 objects in the exhibition. About 20% are from the Whitney's collection, but we did bring in the vast majority from scattered places around the country and even around the world. Caring for our work starts with a loan agreement. We have a loan agreement for each work in the show, and then we think through the various details and logistics related to packing, crating, shipping, all of the things that we need to set up in order to make sure that we're taking the best possible care of every single work that we borrow and that we show. We also supervise our incredible team of art handlers as they install works on the wall or on the pedestal, as the case may be. And one of the very last steps in that process is doing a condition report, which is why I take a close look at each work with my trusted flashlight. I check the work's condition against a report that we will have made ahead of time to make sure that nothing has changed in between it leaving its last location and arriving here at the Whitney. So this work is Giggling Machine, Self-Portrait as Blonde by Lynn, Hershman, Leeson. It is from 1968. It's wax, wig, feathers, all kinds of interesting material, plexiglass, wood. It's got a sensor and has a sound component. It's on loan to us from Scott Mueller. It's a promised gift to the Cleveland Museum of Art. So for this work in particular, the piece itself had a crate already, but this vitrine is actually a part of the work, and it didn't have a crate. Because of what we know about how plexi bonnets can behave, we wanted to make sure to treat it very carefully in transition from the Cleveland area. The other interesting thing about this work was that when we got it, it sometimes giggled, but sometimes it didn't, and we couldn't figure out why. Luckily, we have an incredible team here of film and video professionals who could troubleshoot the work, and in consultation with the lender, we were able to get it to giggle the way it's supposed to. So we were happy to see it here, we were happy to install it, and the last step is just doing my condition report.